Hello everyone! Today I would like to introduce the latest historical wheel repair machine, CKL-26Q. This machine is equipped with a fully self-developed wheel hub repair system, support customization of various languages and logos, and various voltages can be customized. It's feature-rich. Each axis and each unit has independent parameter control. It is convenient for customers to customize and modify according to their own habits. The protective door supports pneumatic lifting. It's controlled by pedals. The pneumatic valve cylinder adopts a hidden design. It has a very small footprint, more beautiful. The interior uses linear guides instead of traditional hard rails. Move fast, high machining accuracy. The wheel hub repair has a good finish. Installed limit switch, improve machine safety. Built-in lighting. Make the processing environment brighter. Easy to observe, cameras can be added later. It is convenient to observe the outside. Laser detection is fast and safe. It only takes 10 seconds to complete. One-click knife setting. The operating threshold is low. The processing effect is perfect, bright as new. If you have any other requirements or customization ideas, you can contact us at any time. We also welcome you to visit our company on the spot.